Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute braid. I have done this hair tutorial on my TikTok, Instagram and YouTube shorts, but I think I moved a little bit fast sometimes, so steps may not be completely clear. So I kind of want to show you a more slowed down version of how I get this braid. This braid requires a lot of elastics, so be ready for this. And this is more time consuming than regular French braid, but I think it is so worth it. It is super cute and I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I get this braid, please keep watching.
이별도 사랑의 책임이니까.
그런 말 하지마. 내게도 쉬운 일은 아냐. 빠듯한 현실의 무게가 버겁고 낯설어. 마지막 나의 배려가 어쩐지 상처만 주는 것 같아. 같은 공간 속 서로 혼자인 채로 결국 눈을 마주 보지 않는 우린 남이 됐겠지. 차라리 미워하면 차라리 미워지기를. 미련과 익숙함 사이 그 어딘가 쓸쓸한 이 정적도 견뎌야만 하겠지. 이별도 사랑의 책임이니까.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and let me know if you tried this hairstyle and what you think about it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!